of the biggest issue with conventional makeup is that it contains so much toxic ingredients. Personally, I have been very sensitive ever since I was a child, and over the years I have always loved makeup, went to makeup school, produced fashion shows, and I have also trained Miss America. So I have been in the makeup industry for quite some time now. Now, back in the days, I had no idea why I was reacting to certain colors, to certain products. My eyes would swell up, my lips would get really itchy. If I used a certain face product, my entire face would just rash up. So then fast forward to when I started this line, and with a lot more knowledge of why certain ingredients are triggered and affects our immune system, I knew at that very moment I will not